Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we will learn some definitions of chapter number 3, whose name is logarithm. So let us start our lesson. These definitions are on page number 61 to 64. Our topic is definitions. First definition is define characteristic. When we take logarithm of any number, it will change into two parts. First part is characteristic, which is before decimal, and after decimal is known as mantissa. So define characteristic. This definition is an integral part of logarithm or before decimal point of a number is called characteristic. Define mantissa. A decimal part of logarithm of a number is called mantissa. Here we try to understand the characteristic and mantissa in this question. Part 1. We have to take logarithm of 278.23. As we take logarithm of this number, so logarithm will change into two parts. First part is characteristic, which is known as CH, and second part is mantissa. So in first part, log 278.23, and as its notation, scientific notation, power of 10 will be 2. So our characteristic is 2, and directly we can understand CH, our characteristic, as total digits before decimal is 3. So 1 can be dropped from these 3. We have 2. So this is the direct method to finding the characteristic. In mantissa, we have to take value from logarithm table. In logarithm table, parallel to 27, we have to take a seen value below column 8 and in column difference column below 2. In parallel 27, below 8 the value is 4440, whereas in difference column below 2 the value is 3. So these two values we have to add. Finally we get 4443. So this is our mantissa. So characteristic and mantissa, these two parts will combine with decimal part. So log 278.2 is equal to 2.4443. This is characteristic, which is integral part, and this is mantissa, which is known as its decimal part. So here we understand that logarithm of any number will divide into two parts. First part is characteristic and the second part is mantissa. In part 2, log of 0.07058, so we can write it in 4 decimal places, 0.0706. In scientific notation, the power of 10 will be minus 2. So our characteristic is minus 2, and parallel to 70 below 6 we get 8487. So this is our mantissa. So by combining these characteristic and mantissa, we get log 0.07058 is equal to minus 2, which is characteristic, 0.8487 is our mantissa. So this is our answer. In next, define anti-logarithm. If log of y base a is x, then y is called anti-logarithm of x to the base a and written as y is equal to anti-logarithm of x. Question is, find the numbers whose logarithm is given. These are logarithms of any number. It means this is characteristic and this is mantissa. This is characteristic and this is mantissa. So its solution is, let we suppose that log x is equal to 1.3247. So x is equal to anti-log of this. We can take anti-logarithm with the help of calculator, or you have to see parallel to 0.32 in anti-logarithm table, below 4 and below 7, 4 in first column and 7 in difference column. We get two values. By adding these two values, we will get 2 1 1 2. As its characteristic is 1, so we have to assign decimal after 2 digits. So value of x is 21.12. In part 2, log x is equal to minus 2.1324. So we have to see the value of 0.13 below 2 and below 4. 4 is the difference column. By adding these two values, we get 1324. Sorry, we get 1356. As the characteristic is minus 2, so we have to assign 20 before this non-zero digits. So in this way, we are able to find the anti-logarithm of these two given numbers. Students, I hope you will understand taking of logarithm of any number or anti-logarithm of any number. Please write these questions on your neat copies. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is the slogan of native. खुदा हाफिज़.